Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add Google reviews to Wix website. To start this tutorial, open editor.wix.com in your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you are now in your internet browser and everything is set up, the first step is to open another website or another tab. And then in here, you're going to go to elfsite.com. Once you are in Elfsite, click on Widgets. Over at Widgets, look for Reviews. It should be under over here. Now scroll down and then look for Google Reviews. As you can see, Google Reviews is over here. Just click on it. And then, click on the button that says Create Widget. It's on the upper right of elfsite.com. In here, let's wait for Elfsite to finish loading. Now to start with your new widget, all you have to do first is select a template to start with. This will show what kind of aesthetic that you can use to match your website. In here, once you're done choosing a template, you can now edit it as much as you want, starting with layout, appearance, and everything else. Once you will be satisfied, click on Add to Website. It's the green button on the left side. Once you do that, you will need to log in to your Elfsite account. If you have not made one yet, go ahead, take your time in making one. I'll be here waiting. But if you already have an Elfsite account, you can just log in. Once you do that, Elfsite will now load once again. And then in here, you will see a copy of the new widget that you made. Just click on Apply. As you can see, your widget is successfully saved. Click on the Save button this time on the upper right. In here, you will also need to upgrade, depending on your budget. But for now, we'll be using Elfsite Lite, since this is just a tutorial video. But in your case, you may also subscribe to their very own promo or pro plans. In here, just click on the installation Add to Website button over at elfsite.com. Once you click on the website or the Add to Website button, you will now see a glimpse or a preview of the code and the widget that you just made from Elfsite. In here, let's wait for it to finish loading. As we do that, we can now copy the code. Now just copy the code coming from elfsite.com. In here, click Apply once again if you are going to preview your widget. And then click Save. Then again, click the Add to Website button and then copy the code. Now the next step is to go back to Wix. Over at Wix, click on plus Add Elements. In here, Embed Html. You can find this in embed code from plus Add Elements. In here, when you click on the new drop-down, all you have to do is to add your code over here, the one that we copied from Elfsite. Go ahead, take your time. The website might take a few seconds in loading. In here, to paste it, just click on Ctrl-V on your keyboard, and then your code should now be posted. And then all you have to do is scroll down and then click on the Update button. There's also an option to tell Google what is in the embed. You can just input your description or your title about what the code is about. Now the next step is to arrange your new code or your Google Ad review, depending on where you want it to be in your website. And then the next thing is to edit it once again and then give it a name, such as Google Reviews, so that you will know what the embed is about. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.